Shout out PBK Customs, man. Look all this build up and how black this oil and stuff is. I mean, look on top of the piston. Look at the rings. Look at it. They stuck. Look at it. Look at it right there. Y'all see that? That's bad. Stick a pick in there. One pin out. I'll take this. Why am I doing that when I got a hole? Y'all see that? Yeah. That piston. Straight build up and blow by. Gonna scrape this gasket off on both sides. Look at that. That's crazy work, man. Oh, that ain't gonna do us no good. So you know we got them fresh ones. We always soak our piston, our new piston rings down there in the oil till we put everything back together. And it's just a little debris came up in there. Gonna clean that out and then oil it back up. Try to loop everything real good. Put some new rod through. I gotta see if I got the rod. I might have to use this old rod. Man, still some good. I'll check the tolerance on them, make sure everything good. Just a little wear and tear. Should be good. I think it should be good. I'll clean it up and check the tolerance on it. But I'm gonna soak around here oil for that. Just gonna clean it, put some fresh oil in there either way. Look how black that oil is. Even look on the timing chain. Like timing gear. Look at that. It's metal. Dang good. That's not good. But y'all stay tuned.